All systems are available in 3 ground models, allowing components to be added according to capacity. For example, up to 8 stations can be joined together, enabling up to 20,000 parts per hour to be processed. The PFS series is a good example of a fully automated machine. To set up the machine, a part is placed under the height sensor. The workstations and the surface measuring device then go automatically to the correct positions for that part type. The parts can be manually or automatically fed onto the machine. Magnetic plates ensure that parts stay where they're supposed to throughout the whole work process. Parts are individually measured by sensors for surface area. These give permanent data for fully automatic tooling compensation and electronic control of the workstations. Grinding belts are responsible for the removal of primary burrs. The grinding belts are electronically controlled and adjusted automatically for correct grinding pressure. Grinding belts can be set to oscillate, greatly improving working life. Rotex stations ensure the precise removal of secondary burrs. Through this process, we can define edge radiuses on complex parts. This can be a wet or dry process. Rotex stations are also electronically controlled for correct pressure and tooling compensation due to wear. Many different kinds of abrasive brushes or grinding discs are available. Customer-specific applications can also be catered for. During the process, parts are demagnetized and then sprayed clean, ensuring minimum transfer of grit to other transport bands. Transport bands are continuously sprayed to ensure minimum transport of grime. Cooling water is collected in a tub under the machine, where it's recycled and reused. Waste products are separated and disposed of separately. Parts can be transported back to the front of the machine and automatically turned, enabling double-sided processing in the second spur. Parts up to 600 millimeters can be processed for single-sided operations. For this process, the return band automatically swings parallel to the outgoing transport band. Parts are demagnetized, washed on both sides and blow-dried to a drop-free state. Then parts are once again demagnetized and finished to customer specifications. The types of parts that can be worked are ever increasing. Whether they be pressed or fine blanked, clutch plates or housing plates, sintered or plastic parts. They're all perfectly processed. The SPS controls guarantee a safe and simple process where all relevant information is gathered and displayed. The worker has complete control over the machine and can at all times change relevant parameters. Online help functions, failure diagnosis, and changing from one language to another are all standard with us. The control panel can even be moved to the back of the machine, making service work much easier. Visual optics make it at all times possible to follow the progress of parts before and after the workstations.